I'm Anil Kumar and we'll explore how to find the angle when reciprocal trigonometric ratios are given to us. We've already done a couple of videos and let me first summarize the steps which we should follow to solve such a question, right? So can you tell me what are the steps involved, right? Let me just list them out one by one. The very first step is that we need to see the trigonometric ratio in the form of primary trigonometric ratio, right? So whenever a reciprocal ratio is given to you, so convert reciprocal to primary trigonometric ratio. That is the first thing. The second step should be if negative is given, especially when negative is given, in that case, you should not find the angle theta, the principal angle, but try to find a related acute angle. Once you find related acute angle, then according to the sign, you could apply the rule and write possible solutions, right? Possible solutions based on rules. Rules means in this case we are talking about the cast rule, right? That means in quadrant 4, cosine is positive. All are positive in 1, sine in 2 and 3. Quadrant 3, tan is positive. Once you apply your solution, then you clearly know the answer, then write down the answer clearly, right? So these are the steps to be followed. So let us follow these steps one by one and then see how to do such questions. So the very first step for us is writing this as the primary trigonometric ratio. Secant is 1 over cos. So we could write this as cos of theta equals to minus, so we get 3 over 2 square root 3, right? Which is same as minus square root 3 over 2. So that is the cosine value. Now, we need to find a related acute angle. So the first step is done for us, correct? So related acute angle, let us consider that to be alpha for us. For example, you can use any sign. So let me just sketch one here. So we are looking for a related acute angle which will give us the value of square root 3 over 2. Acute angle means less than 90 degrees. Is that okay? So we are saying this is the angle, right? And the cosine value is minus square root 3 over 2. You could also use special triangles. So some of you are aware of it. So let me sketch one, right? So that is our special triangle whose sides are 1 to square root 3. The angles are 60 degrees, 90 degrees and 30 degrees, correct? So when you say cos of alpha, so let me write acute angle here. So I'm writing here cos of alpha, so you have changed, right, is equals to, we'll just find for positive value. So square root 3 over 2 means alpha is equals to 30 degrees, correct? 30 degrees. You could use your calculator and also find alpha, which will be, I should write here, alpha equals to cos inverse of square root 3 over 2, right? Use calculator and find this answer. So you could do like this. Shift cos inverse within brackets square root 3 and then this and then divided by 2 bracket close equals to 30 degrees, right? So that is how you could find related acute angle. Now we have to see the possible solutions for the principal angle theta. Since we need negative value and as you know the cast rule, so cosine is positive in quadrant 4 and all are positive in quadrant 1, sine in 2, tan in 3. Negative value for cosine means that you should be in quadrant 2 or 3, right? So we are looking for the acute angle alpha in quadrant 2 or in 3. So this angle for us is 30 degrees. Do you see that? We just calculated alpha equals to 30 degrees, correct? Since this is 30 degrees, we can now write down the principal angle theta, right? So principal angle theta will be 180 minus 30 or 180 plus 30. Do you get it? So we can write theta equals to 180 degrees plus or minus 30 degrees. Is that okay? So if you add, you get in quadrant 3. If you subtract, you get quadrant 2. So our answer now here is theta equals to 180 take away 30 is 150 degrees, right? And if you add 30, you get 210 degrees. So these are the two possible solutions for you. I hope the steps are absolutely clear. You should follow these steps to always answer in the correct way. Let me change the question and give it to you now. So instead of secant, let me write this as cosecant theta equals to minus 2 square root 3. I'm giving you exactly the same question with a different trigonometric ratio. So now follow these steps and find the answer within the domain of theta from 0 to 360 degrees, right? You can use cos inverse with calculator or your special triangles to answer this question. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.